Hi guys, so we're going to give you some general feedback about this question. So the question that we're talking about here is the one that says for all communities the prevention of disease is at least as important as its treatment, to discuss this statement. Okay, so do bear in mind this is from the old syllabus, but we can adapt it to our needs. So if we have a look at this and try and break down this question, it does say for all communities, and there's also here it says one or more examples. So we're just going to dig down into that a little bit, exactly what that means. Okay, so because you're going to discuss, there needs to be some comparison between two things, effectively two case studies or two aspects of a case study that you can compare. What I would suggest for this question is that you can actually do it with one disease, and the context here is that the way that disease is dealt with in multiple communities. So that balance of treatment versus prevention might be different depending on the community that you're dealing with. Other factors to consider is that the actual answer to that question, prevention versus cure, the exact balance might be different between a less economically developed country and a more economically developed country, and also people from a particular cultural context. So for example, at the moment there's a lot going around about death rates in the UK, what they call BAME communities, Black, Asian and minority ethnic communities, the morbidity being a lot higher in those communities, and so there might be a different balance on the prevention and the cure of the particular disease that you're looking at. Now there are of course other ways that you can go and look at this. That comparison could be between two diseases, but I think the really important thing here is there's some community element in there. So that can be communities within a country or communities between a country. Now if we dig down into things a little bit more here, what you can see